Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is art? The word art may be referred to as an activity or as a product. In both cases, it is done by people. It is performed by people. It is orchestrated by people with a communicative and aesthetic purpose. This is the literal interpretation of the word art. Now let's define what is art according to great thinkers and writers. Leo Tolstoy, in his work What is Art, he defined a medium for the transmission of feelings. Means art is something that helps you express your feelings, your emotions, your desires. Let's have another definition. Benedetto Croce, in his famous work Aesthetics, he explains art is an intuitive expression, an expression which comes out naturally and spontaneously. So what we come to know about art is that it is related to feelings, emotions, desires, intuition, and has nothing to do with logical interpretation of something.